to come to get all the gates. So we're gonna watch and see what he does. It's not my specialty. This is gonna be a fun project. Out of the way. Hey, Greek to me. This is like, oh geez, ants here. Good operator. Alright, we're about to go on a little field trip. I just told the dogs. We're going down to that crossing and he's going to put a pipe in and I'm going to tag along. It's a good little ways down there. Sitting on the edge of the backhoe, but hey, it's good. It's fine. He's checking the hydraulic fluid. The dogs are excited. They get to go. Bonnie's in the house. It's hot today. I didn't want her to even try to make that trek. It's really hot. It's beginning to feel a lot like summer. No joke. Okay, it's very wet. It's like mired down. I don't know exactly how. I don't know. We're going to watch and see what he does. He told me to get off with the chain and the dog. So I got off. Here, Clara. Clara. So right now, we're just trying to get the pipe to take over to the place that he needs to put it. So it looks like he's decided to, oh, he's filling in where he dug out. What? Okay, this is not my specialty. Not at all. Go around the, go around. There's like that much. Huh? Okay, I did that, y'all. I hooked that chain up. see how this goes. We sprayed before we came, but there are, I just got bit. There's a lot of big Tokyo Way horseflies down here. I knew this was going to be a fun project. Just looking for snakes. We've already seen a bunch of snakes this year. Let's see, he's just going to take it all away. And then he'll lay the pipe down and then put dirt on top of it, I guess. Is that how this works? Let's find out. You know the creek's over there, Gus? You can go get some water. Go get some water. Go cool off. Oh yeah, I know it's over here. There you go. There you go. Go get some water. Oh man, this is where we used to play. Love this creek. So there's the part of the there's the pipe that was here. That was not doing its job anymore. It's concrete. Okay, got it hooked back up. That's the way you told me to do it. But he wants it more in the middle. He's trying to move it. I'm gonna have to move it. I can see it. I can see it in his eyes. Okay, let me get out of the way. I know why he's doing that, so I can move the chain. Guarantee it. Or he's going to try to push it down. Slide it down, see? I called that one. Okay. Oh, me. Alrighty then. There you go. Now I gotta get that thing off. That's gonna be the doozy. Well, no. Yeah, actually. He just had me tighten it up. Whew, I'm falling in a hole here. So he's trying to move it down. He's asked me to do something I don't understand what he's saying, so he had to get off the backhoe. Womp womp. Sorry, I just didn't understand what you're saying. Something about twisting it. He said he's doing that to spin the pipe around, but not all the way. So I don't know. This stuff is like Greek to me. This is like geometry. Now he wants me to clean the end of the pipe out with my hand. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, jeez. What? Gosh, I can't get out of here. This kind of ranks right up there with working cows together. This is marriage. I would say therapy, but it's kind of the opposite. Cloud cover is welcome. It is. It's hot. It's pretty gross out here, y'all. Not gonna lie. Look at there. That's what I love about the backhoe. It's like, well, that didn't work, did it? It's like little fingers. He literally uses, it's like an extension of his arm. He just, it amazes me how he can move things and pick things up with the backhoe. I can't believe he's gone 2 years without using this thing. It's really unreal. Now what? Okay. It's gonna fall off. Just a little dance here. Okay. Be so careful. Got it. Alright, I'm going to come down here and find some shade too. It's going to take him a little while to smooth all that in there. It's always nicer on the creek. The water's cold. They're having so much fun. I find myself looking up more and more now to make sure there's not a snake right above my head. Did y'all see that video where that snake was right on the limb right next to the truck window? I'm contemplating whether this will hold me. I was gonna say no, but let's see. Let's see. Maybe so. Maybe if I don't, just don't need to bounce on it or anything. So we leave tomorrow for the river. So this was not on the list of things to do today, but that's all right. I've gotten some work done I needed to get done. I'm washing clothes. I made some chicken salad. I'll get home, make supper, pack. We'll leave whenever we leave. We're not on a time schedule. That's the good thing about going to the river. We don't have anywhere we have to be at any specific time. It's called river time. We're on river time. Once we get down there, we're on river time. Whatever. You just go with the flow. See what I did there? We just go with the flow. There's a chance for rain. Hopefully it's not going to, but if it does, oh well, we'll play some games inside or something. But anyway, looking forward to a few days away. And yes, I realize there's something on my face. It's a rash. I don't know. I'm sure somebody's gonna point it out. No, I didn't get hit. I woke up this way. I woke up this way. Maybe he's done, y'all. Pretty smooth. He's a smooth operator. I think I just came out with the title for this video. I'd play the song if I could, but it's got copyright. Smooth operator. He's a smooth operator. I don't know the words or the tune. Oh, don't leave me. Where are you going? Oh, that's a bad sign. That means he's going to get more dirt, I think. Or maybe he's going to use that to smooth it. That's what he's going to do. Use the bucket. The big bucket. The loader. I don't know all the terms, y'all. He's going to drive across it. That's a really good way to test it. Okay. Good deal. He whistled, and I'm assuming that means he's